Hey man, you seen Primo?
Ah, dude, that fucking idiot still thinks that like fucking blew up or something.
Man, you better pick up that patty, man. That's a waste of food, man. Just throw it back on the grill.
Oh man, it's got pebbles and shit all over it.
Nah, just flick the pebbles off, man. Just throw it back on there. I'll eat it. Yeah,
You gonna eat it?
yeah, I'll eat it, man. There's kids in Vallejo starving. Just throw it back on there.
You're fucking nuts, dude, but alright.
Original, no biting, game is so tight. The flow frighten any chicken tenders with no barbecue sauce. You too hard for you, boss, so here's your
Dirty burger's ready. Dude, if you want some, man, there's some condiments and burger, you know, the...
Oh, no, I don't need that, man. I'm gonna eat it like a man.
How was that burger?
It's good, man. Couple pebbles, but it's all good. Shit, it's a big ass pebble.